Hello, today we are going to talk about operators. There are 5 possible operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder of division. Let's start with the sum of two numbers. Let's define two variables, number 1 and number 2. Let's define them with the value 10 and the other one with the value 5. Now let's add them up and show them on our console. For this we will use the plus sign and the command console.log. Let's also output our sum plus 2. As we can see, our first result is 15. The second is 17 because we added 2 to the last result. Subtraction, let's add a separator. To perform a subtraction we use the minus sign. Let's take a look. In this example we are going to subtract one variable from the other and we are going to show it in our console. Now let's do another experiment. Instead of using variables, let's assign the values that we want to subtract. And here are our results. The first example is 5, and the second 15. Multiplication. In multiplication, instead of using the classic X sign as in mathematics, we use the asterisk sign. Let's do an example and see the results. In the first example, we will multiply the variable 1 with the variable 2. As we can see, the result is 50. Now let's multiply 10 by 2 and write it directly to the console. As we can see, the result is correct, it is 20. Rest of division. The rest of the division is the value that we have left when the result is not a certain account. Let's imagine that we have 5 sweets and we want to share them among 3 children, give 1 to each child and 2 are left over. These 2 are the rest of the division. Let's see it in practice. The remainder of the division is done using the percent sign. Let's also do another example and see how much we have left when we divide 3 by 2. As we can see in the first example, there are 2 candies left. In the second example, there was only 1 left over because we divided 3 candies by 2 children. Let's divide 2 numbers. Division is represented with the slash sign. Like this. Let's also write another example right in the console. The first result is 5 and it is correct. The second 10. As always, at the end of each video I have a quiz for you so we can put into practice what we learned in this session. How much is 20 times 3? Right answer B. What is the remainder of dividing 10 over 3? Right answer A. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.